This is just a quick, easy way to select the complete column. In other words, that's from here. Remember, every worksheet has up to 1,000,000 rows. I'm saying 1,000,000. Used to be 65,536. They realized on some of the worksheets and workbooks that people were using, you could actually complete that. And they just needed a little bit larger. So now they've extended it because of the need. But anyway, you could be in, no matter where you are, in the middle of a worksheet. And if you want to select the complete column, you hold the control button down and hit the space bar. You have selected the complete column. If you wanted to bold that, everything in that column will be bolded just like that. Now, if I was over here and I was in a row and I wanted to select the complete row all the way to the end, you'd hold the shift key down and hit the space bar. Now remember, that is not the same as selecting that and inserting. So just remember, I just wanted to show you two quick ways of selecting a complete column and a complete row.